The next problem we're going to look at is a difference of two perfect cubes. Here we have 27x cubed minus 64. So our first step, just like in the problem before, is to figure out what was cubed to get 27x cubed and what was cubed to get 64. I know the cube root of 27 is 3, and in order to get x to the third power, I had to cube an x. So what I have here actually is 3x. The entire quantity is cubed. So the parentheses here are important to show that we're cubing the 3 and the x. This is still a minus. 64 is a result of taking 4 and cubing it. So now we have 3x, that quantity cubed, minus 4 cubed. Now again, we're going to build our binomial times our trinomial. To do that, remember, we are basically taking the 3x that was there minus the 4 that was there. So our binomial is 3x minus 4. To get the trinomial, what we have, again, remember, we're taking this first part, the 3x, and we're squaring it. Now, I'm still keeping that 3x in parentheses here because I have to square the 3 and the x. We'll come back and do that in just a moment. Remember, the first sign in our trinomial is the opposite of the sign in the binomial. Okay? Our next term here comes from taking the product of 3x and 4. So I'm just going to show that we're multiplying those two together to have 4 times 3x. Our last term is always positive, and it's this term squared. So I'm showing that here and closing my parentheses. Now, simplify this trinomial as much as you can. 3x squared becomes 9x squared. 4 times 3x becomes 12x, and 4 squared becomes 16. So our answer to the problem of factoring 27x cubed minus 64 becomes 3x minus 4 times 9x squared plus 12x plus 16.